Was it? Good morning. Yeah, currently driving down the N3, just gone through Van Rienes. Lekker man. Yeah, so my previous video I talked a little bit about integrity. Yeah, so as many of you that know me might know is that PCMP downscaled quite a lot over the last like 2 years. And yeah, our team is a lot smaller now. And there's a lot of people, be it competition or ex-employees or guys you consider your friends, that are walking around and telling people that PCMP is closed down. So what's interesting is when I get to the customers or speak to the customers that have been told this, those rumor spreaders or rumor monger guys, the integrity is completely shot then. Yeah. Think you can help yourself by hurting others, guys? Nah. Anyway, lekker KZN.